To me, the most exciting launch at Google I/O this year was StudioBot.
StudioBot is a tightly integrated AI-powered helper in Android Studio, designed to make you more productive.
After our announcement, those of you outside of the US told us you were eager to get your hands on it. We heard your feedback and have expanded StudioBot to over 170 countries.
Compose does offer a number of benefits, so this is something to keep in mind when you're making this decision. It simplifies UI development. It's very powerful. It's much less code.
I was working on Reddit Talk. We wanted to be more future-facing in the way we built apps. Compose won out pretty easily.
Over 90% of our UI is built in Compose.
We rewrote our search experience in Compose in just a matter of weeks. It took 40% less time than anticipated to build the feature.
With our new generative AI wallpapers, you choose what inspires you, and then we create a beautiful wallpaper to fit your vision.
Let's get started with what's new in privacy and security in Android 14.
Health Connect is an on-device data store that provides APIs for storing and sharing health and fitness data between different Android apps. As a dev of one of these apps, that allows you to create all sorts of magical journeys with different apps without relying on individual one-to-one API integrations.
We decided that we would scale our UI from mobile phones to larger screens to make sure that we support things like split screen or foldable. And so we definitely want to continue making sure that we invest in making that experience as good as it can be.
Camera Tool Extension API enables us to integrate features 50% faster than typical industry approaches in the past.
One of my favorite announcements from this year was the new hardware that Google announced. So the tablet and the foldable, which are both very cool.
Introducing Google Pixel Fold.
Okay, let's talk tablets. Tablets, foldables, and flippables provide a huge opportunity to reach premium consumers. Our hardware partners are all in. Google is all in.
How would you encourage developers to get started designing for foldables?
The app has to be responsive. It needs to support multi-instance, multitasking. And I would also encourage the developers to think about supporting the S Pen so that the creativity is taken to the next level on these devices.
Now is a great time to get started. Wear OS 4 gives developers several options for building great wrist experiences. There's a developer preview that's available so you can optimize your apps for Wear OS 4.
At Peloton, we want to meet members where they are and on the devices they own. We heard consistent feedback from our members about wanting a Wear OS app.
There are a lot of really great ways to listen to Spotify on a variety of devices within the Android ecosystem. What we try to do is build and design seamless product experiences across all of these devices.
We find that users spend 70% more time in concepts on tablets compared to phones.
We saw so many cool new Android large screen and foldable devices, and got a few to take home too.
How many did you get? That's definitely not going to fit in the overhead bin.
That was fun. Maybe we can actually explore New York now?
I can use a slice of pizza.
I wonder if they do that here.
Let's go.
Our developer community will be key to unlocking the enormous opportunities ahead. We look forward to working together and building together.
This is your moment. Go create!